In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook Messenger and here find the person you want to restrict. You can find it in your chat list or you can use your search bar for that. And once you find a person, just tap on the person's name to get into conversation, and after that tap here at person's name at the top and there scroll down to find restrict. There you can check what restriction actually is. So the chat with that person will be moved out of sight. You will hide your activity for that person and you can unrestrict that person at any time you want. So now I tap on restrict, and if I go back to conversation, here I see the unrestrict option right in the conversation. So if I want to unrestrict that person, I can tap here and unrestrict them in any time I want. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.